Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we get up close and personal with all things beauty. Today, we're taking a look at something that's caught my eye, the Perricone MD No Makeup Bundle. This includes a lightweight gel cream blush and a dewy liquid gel highlighter designed to add that perfect, natural glow. I know, we all want that radiant, fresh-faced look without it feeling heavy, so let's see how this duo holds up. First off, let's break down what we're working with here. Perricone MD is known for its high-performance skincare products, and they've brought that same expertise into their makeup line. The blush and highlighter are designed to give your skin that lit-from-within glow with a lightweight, gel-like texture. The gel cream blush is supposed to provide a soft wash of color, while the liquid gel highlighter promises a dewy finish that isn't too overpowering. When it comes to the ingredients, Perricone MD focuses on using high-quality, natural materials. There's no artificial fragrance or harsh chemicals here, so it's great for those with sensitive skin. The texture of both products is smooth and lightweight, which is key when we're talking about creating a natural look. I've been using these for a couple of weeks now, so let's get into how they actually perform. I'll start with the blush. It's incredibly easy to blend, and I love how it gives just the right amount of color without being too bold. It feels lightweight on the skin, so I didn't even notice it once it settled in, which I really appreciate for something that's supposed to mimic a natural flush. The finish is dewy but not overly shiny, which is perfect if you're aiming for that fresh, just got back from a walk look. My only critique here would be that it might not work as well for deeper skin tones, as the shades are a little on the lighter side. Now moving on to the highlighter. I have to say this is my personal favorite out of the two. The texture is more gel-like than cream, and it just melts into the skin. It doesn't leave a chunky shimmer or glitter. Instead, it's all about that healthy, hydrated glow. I wore it on its own, but it's also great on top of foundation for a little extra sparkle. A little goes a long way, and I can't stress enough how natural it looks. You don't have that strip of highlighter effect, which I think is key for an everyday look. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, both products are incredibly easy to use. If you're in a rush, you can just dab and blend them into your skin with your fingers and you're good to go. The packaging is sleek and user-friendly, which I love. Both products are lightweight, which is great for anyone who doesn't want to feel like they're wearing a lot of makeup. On the downside, the blush could be too subtle for some, especially if you prefer more intense pigmentation. The shade range might also be a concern for those with deeper skin tones, as it doesn't quite offer the same level of versatility across all tones. The highlighter, while beautiful, can sometimes fade a bit faster than I'd like, especially if you're using it in warmer or more humid conditions. So let's talk value for money. Perricone MD is a premium brand, and with that comes a premium price. These products are a bit on the pricier side, so the question is, are they worth it? In my opinion, yes, but with a caveat. If you're someone who wants a natural, dewy finish without feeling like you've caked on makeup, these are a solid investment. The highlighter is definitely the standout in my book, and I think the price is justified given the quality and finish it provides. But if you're on a budget or looking for something more dramatic, there are other options out there that may give you a similar look for less. As far as build quality goes, these products are beautifully made. The packaging is sturdy but sleek, and both products feel luxurious when you use them. As for longevity, the blush holds up fairly well throughout the day, though I did notice a slight fading after about 6 hours. The highlighter is a bit more hit or miss in terms of staying power, but it's still great for a day-to-day look. Now, if you're after something more budget-friendly, there are a few alternatives that come to mind. ELF Cosmetics has some fantastic liquid blushes and highlighters at a fraction of the price. They won't give you quite the same high-end feel, but they do the job for a more affordable option. To wrap things up, the Perricone MD No Makeup Bundle is a great choice if you're after that natural, healthy glow without the heavy makeup feel. The blush is perfect for a soft flush of color, and the highlighter is stunning for that dewy lit-from-within look. It's definitely more suited for those with lighter skin tones, but if you can find your shade match, it's worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've tried the Perricone MD No Makeup Bundle, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.